In this lesson, we're going to see how to download and install Ruby in the Windows environment. So the first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and go to the Ruby programming language homepage, which is www.ruby-lang.org. So you'll see a screen like this one. Click the Downloads link to download Ruby. We're looking for the Ruby installer. If you're on Windows, here's the Ruby installer. So click that. Click Download. Select the top selection here. That will be the most current version of Ruby. Click Save File. It'll take just a minute or two here to download. Once it's finished scanning for viruses, you can double-click the file, accept the license agreement, click Next. Choose the subdirectory you want to install it in. Of course, the simplest solution is to install it in the default directory. I would select all of these options. We'll be using them in the course. Then click Install, then sit back and wait while it thinks for a moment. And now we begin the extraction process. We're getting close to completion now. Almost there. At this point, just click the Finish button. You will not probably see this screen. If you do, just hit Restart later. You don't have to restart Firefox for this. And now the installation is complete. You can clear your list of downloads if you choose to, close it, and you're set to go. So if you're on the Windows environment, you can move on to the third lesson in this chapter where we begin actually using Ruby. Otherwise, the next lesson talks about installing Ruby on the Macintosh.